welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are watching Tamara's Hair Care. On this channel, we talk about everything hair care, DIYs, product reviews, hair care tips, tricks, everything to do with hair care. So if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so YouTube can notify you every single time I drop a new video, okay? So I am the founder of Henderson Organic, and it is a Black-owned, handmade, all-natural hair care and skincare line, guys. So if you're looking for affordable but very effective natural products, please check out my website at hendersonorganics.com and show some support. That will be highly appreciated. All right, so with all that being said, let's just jump right into the video. So judging from the title, you already know what it is, what's going on, and that is your care tips video again. Okay guys, so in this video I will be sharing with you guys 5 things I will not stop doing to my hair. And the first one is like my favorite, doing DIY treatment. DIY treatment is the most natural thing that you will literally use on your hair, and using natural ingredients have so much amazing benefit for our hair. At least in this way, we know exactly what is going on our hair. No toxic ingredients, no harsh chemicals and minerals. All my DIY treatments are literally ingredients that is most likely already in your kitchen. So you're literally saving money and your hair is getting the best of the best. So win-win, right? Next thing I will never stop doing to my hair, and that is stretching my relaxer. A lot of people may not agree with me stretching my relaxer. People may do agree, but that is something that I will never stop doing. I will never stop making DIY treatments. I will never stop stretching my relaxer. So as a relaxed girly, stretching my relaxer is a must for me, guys. And this just means waiting longer between your relaxer treatments. Normally, I will relax my hair once or twice a year, the most. The longest I've ever stretched my relaxer was 11 months when I was pregnant with my daughter. I read that it wasn't safe for the baby if you relax your hair while pregnant. And of course, nobody wants to put their baby in any arms, so I didn't relax my hair at all throughout my pregnancy. And I waited like 3 months after my pregnancy to even relax my hair. I think it was like 3 months because I had my baby in September and I didn't relax my hair until December. Yeah. Stretching my relaxer definitely helped me on my hair growth journey significantly, guys. Like, I cannot dwell on this. Like, a lot of people are like, what's the secret to have healthy, thick, relaxed hair? You need to stretch your relaxer. The more you relax your hair, the thinner and weaker your hair become. So when I stretch my relaxer, I get less damage, so my relaxed hair stay thick. It also helps with my length retention by reducing the risk of over-processing my hair. When your hair is over-processed, your hair becomes a lot weaker and thinning, which will definitely result in breakage and shedding. Stretching my relaxer also helped me to reduce manipulation. So I don't manipulate my hair as much when I'm stretching my relaxer because, of course, I wear protective styles. So the protective styles will help me to have like no manipulation, little to no manipulation and stuff like that. So of course, during my stretch, I like to do protective styles like wigs, cornrows, sew-in, buns. It could be long-term or short-term protective style. It's totally up to you. But I mainly do braids because currently I'm stretching my relaxer. So you guys see, I have my braids. My cute braids going on. Currently, I am 6 months post relaxer. Oh my God, I can't believe it. I'm 6 months post relaxer, guys. So, and I'm still not ready to relax my hair as yet. So when I wear my protective style, I don't need to manipulate my hair on a daily basis, which is very important. And this can potentially cause a lot of stress on your hair. And the last thing you want is to overstress. The last thing you want is to overstress your hair. So make sure if you're stretching your relaxer, whenever you, after like a month and a half, 2 months, make sure you start thinking about doing long-term or even short-term protective style. Short-term protective style go up to like 2 weeks, 1 month. 2-3 weeks, 1 month, long term, over a month up. So definitely think about doing protective style if you're stretching your relaxer, even if you're not a relaxed girly and you're a natural girly and you're trying to grow your hair longer, thicker, and healthier. Manipulating your hair every day is definitely not the way to go. So make sure you're doing your protective style so you don't have to manipulate your hair on a daily basis. Okay? All right. So the next thing that I will never stop doing to my hair, and that is oiling my scalp with a all natural hair growth oil from Henderson Organics. Okay, they have the bomb. The best hair growth oil on the market is from Henderson Organics, and I can confidently say that because not just me and my daughter sees amazing result, also hundreds of customers swear by it. So if you don't believe me, believe the customers and try it for yourself. So if you haven't tried Henderson Organics products, what are you guys waiting for? What are you waiting for? Click the link in my description box and give it a try. You won't regret it, I promise you guys. Maybe that's the reason why your hair is not growing and you're not seeing the result you're looking for. Knowing that you have tried all these other brands and nothing worked. The link is in my bio, guys. You cannot say I didn't tell you. You cannot say I'm gatekeeping anything. You cannot say I'm hiding anything. So check the link in the description box and check out Henderson Organics, okay? Can't say I didn't tell you. And of course, thank me later. The Henderson Organics Hair Growth Oils is literally the oil that took my hair from here to here in about 2 years. You guys, if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know the horrible experience I had with the Mild Organics product and how it damaged my hair severely, causing me to cut off most of my hair, damage my hair so bad. And I use DIY treatments and the products from Henderson Organics to grow and retain length until today. My hair is super thick, super long again, and super healthy. I thought I wasn't going to recover from that experience, the damage that you have done to my hair, the so short my hair was, and I'm so grateful that I start using that product and my hair and all these DIYs and using the hair growth oil and the butter, and my hair grew back so long, even longer now, thicker now, even more healthier now, and I'm just super excited. So what are you waiting for? You try everything on the market and it's not working, definitely give this one a try. I guarantee you're gonna see result. And you're going to be here thanking me under this video. The next time you come, you're going to be commenting underneath this video thanking me for putting you guys on the secret. Anyway, so let's just jump right back into it. So oiling your scalp with the right all-natural hair growth oil can contribute so much amazing benefits to your hair and scalp. And that is only if you're using the right oil. So let me give you guys some amazing benefits by using the Henderson Organics Hair Growth Oil. Bear in mind, a healthy scalp is essential for healthy hair growth. So these are some of the amazing benefits using the Henderson Organics Hair Growth products will contribute to your hair and scalp. It promotes healthy hair growth, which we all want. We don't just want hair growth, we want healthy hair growth. So bear that in mind. Healthy hair growth, thicken the hair strands, treat dandruff and itchy scalp, heal scalp issues, treat bald spot, prevent hair loss, prevent premature graying, repair damaged hair, and add moisture and shine to damaged hair. And the Henderson Organics Hair Growth Oil have been proven to do all this and more for hundreds of people. So you guys cannot say I'm gatekeeping. All right. Okay. So with all that being said, so the next tip, and we're at tip number 4. So the next tip that I will never stop doing to my hair, and that is being consistent. Oh my God. I cannot dwell how being consistent is super, oh my God, what's I going to say? Expensive. Is super important on your hair growth journey. So let's be real for a second. Nothing happened overnight, guys. And we need to start understanding that. Nothing happens overnight. So it doesn't matter how good the product is, it doesn't matter how determined you are. If you're not being consistent, you will never see the result you're looking for in a timely manner. So remember, in order to exceed your potential, you must be consistent in every single thing you do. Let me repeat that. Consistency is key. So you can get the best product on the market, but if you're not being consistent, your hair will not give you the result you're looking for. You will literally not see the result you're looking for. And even if you see the result you're looking for, it will take a longer time for you to see that result because you're not being consistent. So just imagine you're being consistent, and the result that you could have seen in 2 weeks, it takes you 5 months to see. Like, those are waste of money. You could have like triple that result if you were being consistent. So being consistent on your hair care journey, which is your routine, leads to healthy hair, stronger hair, and more manageable hair, promotes even more hair growth, and help to prevent damaged hair. So being consistent on your hair growth journey will definitely help you to grow your hair faster, retaining length, and this will definitely make sure your hair looks and feel healthier. And the other thing, guys, being consistent on your hair growth journey will also make you feel more confident. I mean, me personally, healthy, vibrant hair boosts my confidence. I don't know about you guys, but that literally, when my hair is healthy and it's thick and it's long and it's like what I want, my confidence is up the roof. Okay, especially when I just got my hair relaxed, my hair is just done and it's thick, and I know it's thick, I know it's healthy, I know it's strong, I know it looks good. So there's nothing you can tell me that gonna break my spirit, because I mean, my hair be looking good. So definitely I feel good inside out knowing that my hair is healthy. So make sure you guys are being consistent, okay? So that's the key, be consistent. So guys, fun and joke aside now. Fun and joke aside, serious matter this now. So don't be doing something today to your hair and then neglect your hair for the next week or 2 weeks or even a month or even 2 months, and then have the audacity to expect to see the result you're looking for. Come on, guys. And also, do not just tend to your hair when you feel like it. A hair growth journey is a lifestyle. And a lot of us need to understand that, because I feel like just like you know what, eating healthy, going to the gym is a lifestyle. Yeah. So on your hair care journey, it's a lifestyle. So it's something that you have to get up and do every day. Remember your hair every day. Okay? Not saying you should go ahead and manipulate your hair every day. Not saying that. I'm just saying make sure you're taking care of your hair. Even like just by oiling the scalp, spraying some leave-in conditioner if you're in a protective style, spraying some leave-in conditioner, oil your scalp, massage your scalp. Yes, if you're wearing your protective style super long, trying to cleanse your scalp, add back some leave-in conditioner, oil your scalp, and all those good stuff. Do not neglect your hair because you're wearing a protective style. And a lot of us are guilty of that. So I'm here to tell you guys, if you're wearing your protective style, please do not neglect your hair. All right. So with all that being said, let's jump on to tip number, what's that, 5? So we are at 5. So 5, the 5 thing. Oh my God, what am I saying? Okay, so we're at number 5. So this, the last one, and this is, I cannot stress this anymore, guys. Being patient. I repeat, being patient with your hair. A proper hair care routine and patient can significantly reduce premature breakage and hair loss. Do not, I repeat, do not wash your hair in a rush. Do you guys see how slow I'm talking? Do you guys see how precise I'm being? Never ever wash your hair in a rush. Never detangle your hair in a rush. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Never ever wash your hair or detangle your hair in a rush. You could be doing everything right, but if you're not being gentle with your hair, this will definitely be a disaster, guys. So if you're not being gentle with your hair, you're signing up yourself for disaster. So while your hair is striving, like you're doing everything else and your hair is striving, what you're doing when you're on your wash days, or if you're detangling your hair, you're doing it in a rush and you're breaking off your hair, or even being too harsh with your hair. Personally, I never wash or style my hair in a rush. Like, I don't do it. Like, if I know I have a busy day, or I know I have like something to do at a certain time, I try not to wash my hair or do anything of that sort with my hair. Guys, when I tell you, my family will literally make fun of me of how long my wash days are. So being gentle and patient with your hair, this will definitely contribute to have healthier hair, reduce risk of damage and breakage, and also helps to promote stronger and more resilient hair in the long run. So yes, guys, those are the 5 things I will never, ever, ever stop doing on my hair growth journey. So this is the end of my video, guys. I hope this video was informative. I hope it was helpful. So if it was, please let me know in the comment section below. Please share something you will never stop doing on your hair growth journey. I am so excited to hear, guys. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. We are on the journey to 50,000 subscribers! And at 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a huge giveaway with my hair care and skincare line. So make sure you guys are subscribed and you guys turn on your notification bell so YouTube can notify you every single time I drop a new video. All right. And also, guys, please comment down below your favorite Bible scripture so that scripture can be featured on my next upcoming video. Okay. Also, don't forget to check out my hair care line at hendersonorganics.com and grab your hair growth oil before we are sold out again. This hair growth oil literally takes a month to make, guys. So once we're sold out, we're not restocking again until within 1 month. So every time we sold out, the customers were like, oh my God, when are you restocking? So make sure you guys place your order before we are sold out. Can't say I didn't tell you. This is the end. Love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you guys for watching. And please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.